I don't know about you, but watching Chantal put away packs and packs of Indomie was kind of like nails down a chalkboard. It's actually pretty easy to dress up dry ramen, and in this video, we'll mix them up with some chicken and vegetables. I won't say you'll give up your restaurant lo mein for this, but it does make a good one-pot dish. Give it a try. Start out by chopping up some sort of leafy green. I'm using 3 little baby bok choy. Napa cabbage or even spinach would be good in this as well. Off to the side, I've already thinly sliced some baby carrots, just a few. I like to top my dry ramen with just a little bit of chopped scallions. Over medium-high heat, add a little vegetable oil and then saute your veggies. This won't take long, just a minute or two. By this point, I had already cooked my ramen noodles for a minute and a half, drained them, and had them off in a bowl on the side. The chicken I'm using is just a bit of leftovers I had, cold and shredded up. When the veggies are almost done, go ahead and dump in the noodles. Indomie comes with lots of little seasoning packets, so you want to look for the one that looks like chicken bouillon, and only sprinkle on half of this one. It's really salty. Use the rest of what comes with the package. It should be some sort of flavored oil, a hot sauce, and a brown sauce. This will vary by flavor. Gently fluff your noodles to get the sauce well distributed. All in all, this should take no longer than 5 minutes total. If you like your noodles spicier, go ahead and put on some sriracha sauce. You can also brighten it up with a little bit of lime, and this package came with some little fried onions. And that's it. With just a little bit of effort, you can transform any packet of dry ramen into a nice weekday meal. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.